In this video, you'll learn how to add a link in Mailchimp emails. By following this guide, you will be able to create engaging emails that direct your audience to relevant content or websites. First, navigate to the Mailchimp homepage, open your preferred web browser, and type in the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you should see the main dashboard with options for managing your campaigns. Next, click on the button labeled Create Email. This button is typically located in the upper right section of the dashboard. After clicking, you will be directed to a new screen that presents options for creating an email campaign. Once this appears, select the option labeled Start from Scratch. This choice allows you to create a completely custom email layout. After making your selection, you will be taken to the email editor interface. After that, type the text that you want to turn into a link and highlight it. This action is important as it specifies which text will be clickable. Once the text is highlighted, look for the button labeled Add Link in the toolbar above the text area. Click on Add Link. This action opens a dialog box where you can enter the URL. Ensure that the URL is correct and formatted properly, as this will determine where the link directs your recipients. Type in the URL of the website you want to link to. Double check that the link is accurate, as any errors can lead to broken links. This is an essential step to ensure that your audience reaches the intended destination. Next, check the option labeled Open Link in New Tab. This setting is useful as it keeps your email open in the current tab while allowing the linked page to open in a new tab. This enhances user experience by not navigating away from your email. Click on Save to confirm the link settings. This action will finalize the link you just created. A confirmation message may appear indicating the link has been successfully added. Then click on Preview Link to test the link you have created. This option will open a new tab displaying how the email will appear to recipients and allow you to verify that the link functions correctly. A new tab appears showing a preview of your email. You can test the link by clicking on it to ensure it directs to the correct page. After verifying, you can close the preview tab and return to the email editor. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.